Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at an Amcrest video doorbell. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video, so let's get it open here and see what's inside. It's the Wi-Fi video doorbell. Looks like it has 1080 HD two-way audio, motion alerts, and 2 colors of faceplates. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. Looks like we have instructions, how to get started, security notice, the warranty, chime kit, and the Wi-Fi doorbell. This looks like here's the actual unit itself. It fits about in the size of my hand, pretty small. Has a button on it. Your 2 doorbell wires connect there in the back. You have some wiring, some connectors, and screws. This must be some special screwdriver for something on the doorbell. I'm guessing that's to screw it in somewhere. Looks like it comes with another special screwdriving tool. Here's the silver faceplate. This is the chime kit that goes inside your doorbell audio thing, and it comes with a drill bit. And looks like that's it. Nothing else underneath there. Nothing else up there. So that's the unboxing of the doorbell. Next we'll talk about how to get this installed. See you later.